Okay, so we're in the car.
Not going back. I'm not going back to prison. I'm not going back.
Okay.
Can't make me.
So we're on
the
our
road.
way. Okay.
Never going back there.
We're on our way first to get him coffee, and then I can't have coffee. And then because I'm going to get my umbilical surgery done. But we're on our way, and they made me wash with Hibiclens for 2 days before the surgery. So I had a little bit of a skin reaction to that on my arms, itchiness. But anyways, I'm excited. Okay, I'll shoot a short video once I'm there. Okay, I'm all checked in and ready to go. They made me completely wash my body down with these guys. Like 6 times. I'm freezing. So, we're just waiting. Pretty sure the next step is
I didn't take a video of that.
me going in. So, see you guys in a little bit. Okay, we're back in the car. I am still under the influence of whatever they gave me. But my stomach is numb. And I cannot feel anything, which is great. I don't know. I just have a little bandage on it. Show you. See? The anesthesiologist was amazing. I ended up knowing him from when I surfed with him, and he was like, my 2 concerns were not waking up and sorry. Oh, throwing up. And he's like, I'm going to give you all 3, like, throw up medications. I was like, okay. It hurts to laugh. A little bit. And then he's like, there's these cluster of muscles on both sides of your, stomach. He's like, I'm going to give you an injection on both sides that will completely numb those. So, like, you'll feel nothing. I was like, that sounds perfect. So, surgery went great. Everybody at the hospital was great. And now I'm just getting some soup, and I'm gonna head home and sit on the couch. So, right before I went in, I was like getting all like white, like nauseous and like kind of afraid. Like, I can't do this. He gave me this little teeny red pill, and it just like made me feel happy. I was like, I feel so great. So, it started with a P. I can't remember the name of it, but it was so great. I was also watching cat videos on YouTube to try to calm me down, because there was like 15 or 20 minutes where I was just like sitting on the table waiting for them to take me back, and I just started to, feel nauseous and kind of like woozy, and like the room was a little bit like too white, all that stuff. So, the little red pill took it away. And then he did the rest through the IV. And I woke up, and they were done. It was like 5 seconds for me. So, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go home and sit on the couch. So, I'm at home. I'm on the couch. I've already gotten up a few times and used the bathroom, and I've eaten, drank, and water, obviously, all that. So, overall, just a great experience. I'm so glad I did it. Even though when I was about to go in, I was getting a little nervous and like rethinking what I was doing. But if you can have a good conversation with your anesthesiologist about stuff, he has some magical things that he can do, which I think has really helped coming home. I'm sure it'll hurt more tomorrow. All I'm going to use is some ibuprofen every, 6 hours? 4 or 6 hours. And I'm just going to do like 400 to 600 milligrams. Unless the pain gets super bad, I do have a Percocet I could take. Or I have a prescription of them. But I'm saving that for like last effort. So, I was going to show you guys the wound, I guess. But it's under here. Hold on. There it is. So, definitely will be updating this with a part 3 video and showing you guys when the little cover comes off. Okay, Talk to you guys later. Bye.